Today we're going to be moving around some old junkyard motor, getting it cleaned up, ready to turn it into a fire-breathing monster LS. Stay tuned.
It's easier to back up to put it four-wheel drive.
Doesn't really make no sense.
Nope. Oh, that's heavy.
Yeah.
This thing's in the way.
Ready?
On yet?
Yeah,
You gotta be video.
I'm
If you
videoing.
don't catch it on video, it didn't happen.
Hey,
Can confirm.
You catching my good side?
yeah.
Okay. So, we're going to be taking this old nasty junkyard motor that's under this tarp. And
We're all
gonna
original.
We're going to go clean it up. We're going to tear it down and get it ready to become a fire-breathing monster LS.
To go in that truck over yonder.
Come over here and get a close-up shot of this beauty.
Now it's time for the big reveal.
Reveal it. Look at that thing. Oh my goodness. Do you know how many horsepower that can make?
Let's get in.
All of them.
Look at this beaut.
It'll should be alright.
It's one
all
of
that
those.
dirt and grime, that's what holds the horsepower in.
It's one of those barn finds, huh?
Yeah, it's rare.
Close enough. Okay,
Alright, what do we got here? A sketch factor of about 10.
something.
Alright, so we're going to have to pull the old OSHA approved extendo device.
Let me go over here so we can get a good look at all the junk.
When this falls and we get hurt, you better catch it on camera.
Well, I had to get a
Don't show
good.
it to people that's like insurance. Do not do that.
Don't show it to the safety man.
Too much.
Will that reach?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it'd be sketchy, but it's
Okay.
doable.
Sketchy is our middle name. Now here we have
No,
our
actually-
safety strap.
Actually, middleman is Mitchell, isn't it?
Tell that. This is going
Hey,
on the
Mickey, what's his
internet.
middleman?
Mitchell.
It might be like some identity theft or something.
Brant Mitchell.
Alright, so we got this strap kind of tight on here so boom can't go up. Handles. And we need a 10.
10.
A 10?
10.
This is a really awesome fence.
Isn't it great? Whoever built this really was a craftsman.
That's a craftsman.
Some people are just good at what they do. You gotta appreciate that. Like us, we're really good at
Tearing up motors.
breaking motors. Yeah,
Mhm.
that's what we're good at.
Which you'll see the carnage from the previous 5-3.
Yeah,
Soon.
we'll have to go get that on video.
It's gonna happen.
How many have you been through, Brant? How many 5.3s?
I quit counting.
4 at
He's killed
least.
his with boost. I just killed mine was naturally aspirated.
How about your transmissions? How many transmissions have you been through?
I don't know, 5 or 6.
I've killed
See, the
one,
problem is,
which it was kind of on its last leg anyways.
problem is I make a lot of horsepower and I like to party. And I have no self-control.
I think it's the last part. I haven't seen you party in a long time. You party for the Lord.
So much.
Okay, and here we
All right,
go.
let's see if it weighs too much for our extended boom. I might get hurt.
It's yeah, I think this is a good deal.
Hey, so bringing the tire up with it.
Well,
Saves us effort. Oh! This thing's making pops and creaks. Doesn't sound good.
I mean,
You hear that?
yeah.
Safety glasses. Homemade boom though, that's holding up nicely. I think that's high enough. We can slide her back. Let's try it. Oh, she's heavy.
Huh.
All right.
Oh, shit. You all right? Yeah. Move your toolbox. You want to move it in front of the floor.
Oh.
All right, you got this.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
There it goes.
Yeah, there goes the crane case.
We didn't need it. You're just gonna blow a hole in it anyway.
Huh. That's gonna make really good video. Tanner's gonna have a lot of bleeps on that one. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Well,
You all right, bro?
Oh, okay. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
bleep.
Saved myself on that one.
Bleep, bleep.
This thing is
I
gonna
didn't
make
think that was
so many ponies.
Tanner, this is your engine and Brant has hurt you twice.
Well, let's
I felt like Kev was going to kiss that thing a minute ago.
He said he wanted to put blood, sweat, and tears into this one.
Oh, he's got toes in it right
I
now.
got tears in that engine out there.
Can you
A little
hook that?
bit pure gold. Alright, gold.
I love gold. Yeah, we don't need to strap the motor down, do we?
I got straps.
How far are we taking it?
To the barn.
Oh, to the barn.
But we got to make a minor detour.
Where? Where's our minor detour?
We gotta go fly the drone and find Dad's stock tank.
Oh yeah, and next time on Brant Does Stuff.
Nah, that'll be this time.
Oh, this time?
It's all one video. It's bonus footage.
Bonus footage?
Yeah.
They should feel real special.
Not sketchy at all.
Nope. How far are we taking this? How many miles is it?
It's miles.
So what's your trailer? What's your trailer
My
before?
trailer?
What was it made with? Is this like a redneck boat trailer?
Okay, so I think it used to be a jet ski trailer, and I bought it off of some crackhead, and he put this bed on it, and it was really cheap.
Just hearing the dude on the phone, I'm pretty sure that dude was maybe heatered a little on meth.
Man, you guys are not nice.
I'm not being mean. I mean,
It's truth.
it's just descriptive. The guy was a meth head.
But then again, at the same time, he was driving down the wrong way. And hooked on
Yeah, that is. Brant was on the phone and we were going on and off ramp onto I-40. I forgot about that. Yeah.
I don't remember how
I couldn't help myself.
Patrick and I were dying in the back
laughing
seat
so hard at this guy.
that he went up and off ramp. It's just cool.
I know Patrick is about to lose his shit too.
Patrick and I were in the back seat ready for death.
Hey,
Yeah, somebody's probably gonna really critique my strapping skills.
Oh yeah. Well, that one is twisted.
Yeah, it's fine.
Twisted. And, oh man, our welded thing, it looks like it's gonna just break off. It's cool. It's just twisting.
slide over here.
It's fine.
Here, you ain't. Yeah. It's just perfect.
Just tie that over there and tie this over here.
Just bow tie it. It's,
We won't really tie it though. We'll just kind
yeah,
of
hit Tanner in the face. Yeah, Tanner, take that.
He doesn't mind.
Take that, Tanner. You have no toes today. He hit you in the face. He tried to let you fall with the lift.
Our pets' heads are falling off.
What?
It's because he hasn't had much sleep. That's
true.
it.
I worked night shift and then I just stayed awake all day. I'm a little bit loony.
That's great.
Yes, fine. They're not going anywhere.
It's cool.
Worst can happen is we have like some little streamers flapping around. It's fine.
Do that again. Streamer.
Yeah. Hey neighbor, we stole your motor. We're gonna make a lot of horsepower with it.
All the power.
Stairs go fast, aren't you?
You're gonna be proud.
That truck been towing some people?
Yeah, it's been towing people in reverse.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. You see this beauty of a square body right here? This baby has all the mullets. It's the most American thing you've ever seen. It makes tire smoke. It's great. Tanner, tell us about your pickup.
Well, it smells like hairspray, cigarettes, and if it had a tape player, it'd have Motley Crue stuck in it. So, you know, there's always that.
So, there's only one problem with this here American machine. That is, that motor right there has a big hole in the side of it.
I think so too.
Maybe it was too. Either way,
We're gonna find out.
it underwent a rapid, unscheduled disassembly. So-
Rodney came knocking with a vengeance.
We're going to be yanking that baby out in a future video. And we're going to be putting that dirty dog right there in it. And we're going to make her scream.
Cammed out.
You guys have anything to add?
Yeah. Do
Tell
I
us.
look 280 pounds?
Yeah.
America.
To today's activities. So my dad called me and he lost one of his stock tanks. It blew away and he thinks it's somewhere in this huge field of hay grazer. So we're going to fly the drone up and go find it.
Tell us a joke.
Why the annoying cow across the road?
I don't know why.
To annoy the drivers.
To what?
To annoy the drivers.
Annoy the drivers. Oh.
It's right back!
Coming right at us.
Ah! Ow!
We wrecked it.
Is it dead?
No, it's not dead.
It only had one rock that hit me right in the forehead.
I bet it still flies. Let's find out.
Oh, no, the stickers, not the stickers.
You're
That was a little too much for it.
dummy.
Hey, we should do our weed eating with this
He
thing.
cut it though, look. Oh, look at this.
We could just weed eat the yard with this.
Your dad is gonna be so proud of you. What were you doing out there with the drone, son? I was cutting your hay grazer.
Kick the bird.
I want to turn around. Daddy, can you turn me around?
How much does it count?
I know how this went last time. Your lanes are not good.
Where is it going? Where is it going? Don't cut my weed. Don't cut my weed.
Oh.
Dad!
You're a dummy. You are a dummy.
We gotta
Stop
switch
your,
your.
stop your terrible landing.
Yeah. Say that again.
Stop your terrible landing.
Hey, now be sure to like, share, and subscribe.
Like and subscribe for
Subscribe.
more moronic activities. Leave a comment. So we did not find the missing stock tank.
I'm gonna take this to go back ready.
Yeah, you can just go straight. But we did have fun flying the drone, didn't we, Sophie?
And I went to the end of the field, and we still didn't find it
Yeah, we did wreck
when
it
I
though.
flew it.
How many times did your dad wreck it?
Twice. And I even told him, stop doing your terrible landings.
Ah! You almost got me. Ha ha ha. Staying alive, staying alive. Ha 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 ha. Copyright strike, copyright strike. Guys, we're gonna watch this thing so squeaky clean.
Be dirty.
Dirty.
And we're live. Well, not really live, but
All right, guys,
we're here.
we got our race motor all cleaned up.
And
It's ready to make horsepower. No, we are gonna get it on the engine stand and tear it down and make sure that it's a good candidate for building. Catch us on the next video. Like and subscribe.
doodles.